Last year, Serica surprised the entire watch community with a dress watch that completely broke the rules, the Ref 1174 Parade. It was minimal, elegant, and unmistakably cool, something you don't often say about a dress watch. And now, it's back. But this time, somehow, even cooler than before. For those who don't know, Serica is a young French micro-brand that's been turning heads since 2019. Famous for blending mid-century charm with modern tool watch durability. They've made rugged field watches, sleek divers, even a GMT. But when they released the Parade, they asked, what if a tool watch wore a tuxedo? And the result was one of the most talked about dress watches of the year. The new Serica Parade linen keeps everything we loved about the original. The bold, oval-shaped stadium case, the minimalist sterile dial, and the vertically brushed bezel. It's still 35 by 41 millimeters, the perfect size for a refined wrist presence, and it still packs an impressive 100 meters of water resistance, powered by the Soprod M100 manual wind movement. But what really sets this version apart is the dial. This time, Serica trades the guilloche pattern for something even more captivating, a linen-textured dial. Available in slate blue or tobacco brown, this crosshatch pattern adds depth, character, and a touch of vintage soul. It's like a fine fabric, imperfect, organic, and utterly mesmerizing under the light. To complete the look, the watch comes on a new croc-embossed calfskin leather strap, black for the slate, brown for the tobacco. Even the buckle echoes the shape of the case, brushed and oval, tying the whole design together in true Serica fashion. And if you're not a fan of the croc pattern, Serica has you covered with optional real crocodile leather straps in black and olive. At $1,774 US, the Serica Parade linen remains one of the most original and well-finished dress watches under $2,000 US. It's elegant but sporty, vintage but modern, and perfectly captures what Serica stands for: effortless, cool. If last year's Parade was a surprise hit, this new linen edition proves it wasn't a fluke. Serica is here to stay. This is the Serica Parade linen, proof that sometimes lightning can strike twice.